In this video, we show you how to insert and edit a symbol when printing labels. When you click the button Symbols and Icons, all available symbols are displayed. For a better orientation, the symbols are divided in categories such as alarm or area. These categories can be filtered using the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu on the left, you can choose between the designs Modern and Legacy. By default, the symbols of the Modern category are displayed. If you want to use the switch, for example, as a doorbell, you can select the respective bell symbol further down, which is immediately placed in the designated field. Sometimes a note appears in the bottom right corner that some elements are not fully visible. To adjust the size and position of the symbol, just change the values in the respective field. The symbol can be moved on the X and the Y axis, or the height and the width can be changed. To change the size in proportion, use the scaling function. You can simply center the symbol or align it to the edges using the positioning tool. To rotate the symbol, use the rotation function by changing the angle. The color of the symbol can be changed by pressing the arrow key.